How to clear all notifications on your iPhone lock screen quickly and easily. If your iPhone has too many old notifications, you don't need to open each app or go into settings. You can remove them directly from the lock screen. First, wake up your iPhone and stay on the lock screen. Here, you will see all your recent notifications. If you want to remove a single notification, simply swipe left on that notification. Tap on Clear, and that notification will disappear instantly. Now, to clear all notifications at once, look for the small X icon above the notification list. Press and hold the X icon, and you will see the option Clear. Tap on it, and all your notifications will be removed from the lock screen. If you don't see the X button, make sure you scroll up and bring all notifications into view. The X icon usually appears when you have multiple notifications available. So this is how to clear all notifications on iPhone lock screen without opening settings. Keeping your notifications cleared regularly helps you maintain a clean and organized iPhone display. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.